The words are hard to say when silence fills the day. But petals, soft and bright, can speak what hearts might hide. For mothers, friends, and lovers, each bloom a gentle cover of care we want to show in ways they'll always know. Flowers say it all, big or small, we feel their call. In joy and grief, in love's sweet fall, they bloom to lift us when we stall. More than just a gift to give, they help our memories live. Don't wait for time to make the call. Send flowers, they say it all. For birthdays or for healing, for moments deep with feeling, a single rose can mean more than words have ever been. For every kind of love, from earth or up above, a bouquet softly shows the depth of what we hold. Even when the right words slip away, let color bloom and light the way. For someone dear, for someone near, let blossoms bring them cheer. Flowers say it all, through every rise and every fall. They're silent messengers that call to hearts both big and small. So don't let time drift far away. Say what you mean today. A flower holds the words you stole, because flowers say it all.